Parents and guardians, welcome. So I wanted to give you a preview into what your child is going to see when I start doing live streams. Mathematical purposes only. And you should have gotten an email from me, and your child should bring home a sheet of paper that kind of says the same exact thing that was in the email. But the paper version of that, I would like for you to go ahead and sign that, allowing your child or giving permission to your child to go onto the live stream that I'm going to do on Saturdays and Sundays, or Saturdays or Sundays to begin, and kind of make it one of these face-to-face, but not so much face-to-face help sessions for math, because I think that because I'm one of those teachers that gives your child homework over the weekend, it is important that they understand how to do that homework, and they can ask questions as they need to. So we still have Remind 101, which is great, but sometimes that's not good enough. And this is for this is for all my students. And I hope that your child will take advantage of this opportunity, whereas they can log into YouTube, and they can be a part of my live stream. So what you're seeing right now is kind of the process of a live stream, or what it's going to be. So this is not live right now. You didn't miss out on the event. This is just kind of a preview for you. So I'm going to try to keep it short. So what you're seeing now is an overlay. And yes, I know that it kind of looks like a little bit of a sprinkle here. I'm still working out the kinks of the process with the green screen behind me. So that's how you can kind of see me overlay on black and then overlay me on Desmos.com. So couple of the tools that I can use here to help your child succeed in math and get that A that we all know that they can is Desmos.com is one of them. For the algebra folks right now, I'm graphing lines. We can see where they intersect. We're doing systems. We're doing slope. So they can see all those types of things. For the intro to algebra kids, I'm going to be able to work out problems with an overlay on blank screens, and I can still use this calculator function too. So I'm gonna be able to take in their requests, take in their questions, where they're gonna have two options to give me the questions. So A, they're gonna be able to go into Remind 101. I'll have a Chromebook next to me so I can read the Remind texts as they come in, and then I can answer the questions right here on the computer. Second thing is they can log into YouTube while they're watching the live stream, and then I'll have a chat portion kind of right maybe up a little bit more in the area where you can see kind of the black right now, and I'll have that as a chat area. So other students will be able to see what the chat is. So obviously a couple of really important points are, and this is in the email and it's on the paper that your child brought home too, is they need to be appropriate in the chat. They need to be appropriate language wise. They need to be appropriate with questions to each other and to me. I'm not going to tolerate poor behavior. And that pretty much is a general term for encompassing anything that is not math related and or anything that I wouldn't put up with in school. So I realize that this is a Saturday and a Sunday that I'm going ahead to do this, but they need to make sure that they're doing the right thing on the live stream, because they could, if they do something poorly, if their behavior is poor, their language is poor, I will hold them accountable in school. So I will do detentions and referrals and that type of thing. But, I have to say that because I have to make sure you understand and they understand that, this isn't a free-for-all. Just because I'm logging into YouTube and I'm watching Mr. Dramus do a live stream doesn't mean that, I can do whatever I want to do. Okay. So, just that, I wanted to give this to you as a preview. So you certainly can think about it and sign it, the form, and have them get it back to me as soon as possible so we can start this process up. Love to start this up by October 1st. So we will see how it goes. I appreciate your time. And if you have any questions, please, you can send me an email, and I will respond as quickly as possible. All right. Thank you.